Existentialism is a philosophical movement that emphasizes individual existence, freedom, and choice. Exploring the human experience and the search for meaning is a fundamental aspect of being human. From ancient philosophical texts to modern literature, humans have used language to express and decipher the complexities of existence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way humans live and work, with profound implications on our existence. The impact of AI on human existence ranges from transforming industries and job roles to reshaping ethical and societal norms. As AI becomes more advanced, it raises crucial questions about the future of work, privacy, and human-AI collaboration. Understanding this impact is essential for individuals, businesses, and policymakers to navigate the evolving landscape of AI technologies. The potential conflict between AI and human philosophy arises from the differing approaches to decision-making and moral reasoning. While AI relies on algorithms and data-driven analysis, human philosophy is rooted in ethics, emotions, and subjective interpretation. Technology has revolutionized the way humans perceive and interact with the world around them, significantly shaping the human experience. From the way we communicate and access information to how we work and entertain ourselves, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives, influencing our thoughts, behaviors, and relationships. Examining the ethical implications of AI in relation to philosophical beliefs involves questioning the impact of artificial intelligence on concepts such as human autonomy, morality, and the nature of consciousness. Exploring the intersection of existentialism and AI advancements reveals a shared emphasis on the nature of consciousness and the human experience. Exploring the ethical implications of integrating existentialist principles with AI development, considering the impact on human autonomy and self-awareness.